The second tab is named Schedules. We can use this tab to define our own schedules depending on the building that we have, and if we have enough information about the heating, cooling system, and for example, the equipments that we have in that building. And if we don't have the data to define the schedules, we can use one of these templates. Also, we can modify these templates here. However, because in this case study and in this example, we are using the predefined schedules and the templates provided by the web tool, we skip this tab. So we go to the third tab named Facility. This tab provides us the tools to define new facilities for the projects that we have. For instance, in this project and in this case study, if we want to add an HVAC system to this case, then we choose HVAC and we define, for example, heating, a standard boiler, and we can have a new item for that. We can change the name to 1, 2 if we have variety or different boilers and different production units in one building. For instance, if we are using this tool for an apartment building. Then we choose the fuel type, the zone and space if we want to assign this specific boiler to a specific zone or in a specific boiler. Then we can choose the nominal power, the thermal efficiency of the system, the age of the boiler, we must define it. And we can show if we are using the same system for our heating to provide all the demand or not. If we have a supplementary system or not. Here, if we want to add some extra comments for technicians to provide them with extra information in the report and documentation, we can add them here. Make sure that you save all the information. Now you will be able to see the boiler that you have added. For instance, for lighting also you can see that the lighting has been added. However, to add the lighting, we have to go to the next tab, tab number 4.